Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Again, it's Todd, not the plant guy. What we have laying here today, this is a big old pine it's an all natural longleaf treasure forest. Been designated, I think, by the state. And we leave this totally natural. You can see yon stump where I had to cut this thing down because it obviously it was not in great shape, but it was hanging out. The way it was leaning was out over that road, so we cut it down, got it out of the road, and now I need to get it out of the trail. Now it looks terrible, but the center of this thing is solid fat lighter. If you're familiar with that stuff, it's essentially just pure sap and wood fiber. Highly flammable, great for starting fires. Hell on a chainsaw. Sticky, and poor old saw, what's going to happen is I'm going to get about 3 or 4 cuts, and then the pulley on the end of the bar is going to get so gummed up that the saw is going to freeze up. So we're going to just get a big chunk cut out of the trail and hopefully just get it smalled up a little bit, and then get this end drug up out of the way.